Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leeens, or you could call me Lena, and what I like to do here is cook. So sometimes I like to cook other people's recipes, but today I'm going to be sharing my own recipe, and it is going to be my Korean spicy garlic soy wings. So if you want to learn, stay tuned. Hey guys, it's me again. Before we start cooking, I just want to address the elephant in the room. I know if you watched my past videos, I think you could tell. But today I'm having a bad nail day. If you couldn't tell, let me show you my other hand. Okay, so you're gonna be seeing this. I'm gonna just be real with you. These are my nails right now, and these are gonna be my nails for the rest of the week. So, just putting that out there, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay guys, so let me hit you with the recipe really quick. We're gonna mix the sauce first. So in a bowl, we're gonna mix soy sauce, gochujang, which is Korean fermented chili paste, minced garlic, sugar, and Szechuan chili flakes, and mix it until the sugar has dissolved. Then we're gonna put that aside. And now we are gonna concentrate on the wings. Make sure you dry off your wings with a paper towel. I know there's a chicken shortage right now, but really you could use any kind of chicken that you want for this recipe. So if you're gonna use like chicken breast or something, make sure you cut it into like cubes. And if you're gonna use wings, just use wings. So yeah, so make sure you dry with a paper towel so that when you fry it in the oil does not explode. So you're gonna dry them pretty well. And in a large bowl, you're gonna add the wings, cornstarch, flour, eggs, and salt and pepper, and mix until the wings are evenly coated. In a small pan, shallow fry the wings with some oil, duh, and place them on a rack for the oil to drip off. And once all the chicken is fried, refry the wings one more time. So we are going to be doing this thing called double frying, and replace them on the rack and let them rest. In a wok with medium-high heat, pour the sauce mixture and cook until thick. Then toss in the wings and mix until the wings are coated in the sauce. Then serve and enjoy. Okay guys, I'm back. Holy crap, that was a mish. So here are my wings. That's how it looks. Doesn't it look so good? And it smells so good too. Okay. I need something to drink. BRB. So I just got this sparkling water with grapefruit from Kirkland, aka Costco. Let's go in with a wing. Not a wing, what is this? A drumstick? Is this a drumstick? It's still kind of hot. It's really hot. Okay, let's go in. Girl, I've made this so many times, and every single time I bite into a piece, it's, oh my god, it's so good. You definitely taste that soy, and then you get hit with like this kick of just like fieriness from the Szechuan chili flakes, and then you get this like deeper flavor from the gochujang. the fermented chili paste, and then the sweetness right at the end. Oh, it's so good. Yum. Okay guys, well there you have it. These are my Korean spicy soy garlic wings, and I hope you guys give it a try. And if you guys do, let me know. Take a picture for me and send it to me. I'm so excited for you guys to try this one. This is my special little recipe that I just created on my own one day, and it worked out. So, I mean, James is enjoying it over there. Well, don't forget to comment down below. Let me know what other recipes you guys would like me to try out, or what other recipes you guys would like to know. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.